we'll guide you through how to use Stripe for payment processing on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Stripe website at stripe.com. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner of the page. You'll need to enter your email address and create a password. Once you've signed up and confirmed your email, log into your account. When you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. This is the main control hub for all your payment processing activities. To start accepting payments, click on the Payments option in the sidebar. You'll see an option to create a payment link or invoice. Select the method that best suits your business needs. For a simple online store, a payment link is often the most straightforward. Click on Create Payment Link and enter the details of the product or service you're selling. You'll need to set a price and, if necessary, add a description to inform your customers. Once you've created the link, copy it and share it with your customers through email or on your website. If you prefer to integrate Stripe directly into your website, you'll need to use their API. Go to the Developers section in the dashboard and find the API keys, which you can use to connect your site to Stripe. Make sure to use the test keys for development and switch to the live keys when you're ready to process real payments. If you're not familiar with coding, you might want to use a plugin or a third-party service like Shopify or WooCommerce, which offer easy Stripe integrations. Don't forget to regularly check your Stripe dashboard for updates on transactions and to manage your funds. Stripe automatically transfers your earnings to your bank account on a schedule you set under the Payouts section. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.